We are getting soaked.
It is cold down here.
It is cold and the spray is hitting us pretty heavy. Well, hey there guys, we are at Fall Creek Falls State Park in Tennessee, and we've got about half a day to explore the area.
Yeah, we're going to combine several trails and a drive to see all 6 waterfalls.
We better get started. Let's go.
Let's go.
So everything that we've showed you so far is within, what would you say, a quarter mile
Yeah, just
of
right
the nature
outside,
center?
basically.
So even if you don't do the whole hike, you certainly can get a lot of great views in almost quarter mile or so from the parking lot.
Right. Now we're going to head to Fall Creek Falls, and it is a little trail to get there.
Looking forward to it.
Hi, Mission America. We just did a half marathon.
Yeah! A little farther, there you go. Now to your right. What do you think, Paula?
That's the kind I usually let you do by yourself.
It was pretty cool out there,
It
though.
was pretty neat. That
Rocky,
one step
Rocky
was hard.
Point overlook?
I think so.
Yeah, there was one big step.
Yeah.
That was about it.
This is Fall Creek Falls behind us.
Now we're gonna hike down to the base of it. It's just under a half mile to get down and then a half mile to get back to the top. The sign says it is very strenuous, so we're kind of looking forward to it. We always love a challenge. What goes down?
Let's come up.
First look from down here of the falls. Let's go down there, Paula. We are getting soaked.
It is cold down here.
It is cold and the spray is hitting us pretty heavy.
And the wind.
And the wind. We just did this to do it for you guys and we're getting out of here now.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is so much fun. Love it.
Fall Creek Falls was stunning.
That was just awesome.
I loved getting down at the base and that spray hitting us. It was cold though.
It was cold, it was quite refreshing.
It was,
and
oh,
it's just
amazing.
a great experience.
It is.
Right? It's very invigorating, and just to get up close and personal like that. A lot of the waterfalls you don't get to do that.
Right.
You see them from a distance or an overlook,
And
so
the
to
pool
get
at the
close
bottom,
is nice.
Yeah, and the pool at the bottom was beautiful.
It was
that
beautiful.
Color of that water.
During the summertime, we hear that a lot of people actually swim in there
Yeah.
and play around there. It's a little too chilly for that today.
Right.
But we think we've got one more waterfall to go find, so we're gonna go look for that now, and we'll show it to you guys when we see it. Well, this is our final falls of the day. It is Piney Falls.
And we got to hurry up and get some shots because it is getting cold and it is starting to rain.
Yeah, some kind of storm is brewing and we got to get this done and get back to our camper van before we get pummeled by some water coming from the sky instead of a waterfall. Well, even though we got to spend only half a day yesterday at Fall Creek Falls State Park, we had a great time, didn't we?
We did. It was amazing.
So many waterfalls. If you like waterfalls, and who doesn't,
Right.
we highly recommend that you visit that state park if
Yeah.
you're in Tennessee in the area. Today is a drive day for us. So along our route, we stopped in Murfreesboro at Donut Palace and got a couple of treats for this morning. I got a chocolate cream donut and a chocolate dip donut. I always have to get something chocolatey.
And I had to go with something different. I went with an apple fritter and a blueberry donut.
So we are sugared up for the next little bit anyway on this drive, and we'll see you guys in our next episode.
That's it for our mission. What's your mission? Did you get that?
Well, I got that. Oh, hi there.
Well, the waterfall views.
I tried to hold your hand to help you. I'm stuck. Well, hey guys, it's Jimmy here. Our mission in every episode of this vlog is to share one of our fun-filled adventures with you guys. But our greater mission in life is to share our hope and happiness with you. One of the ways we do this is by giving away free resources at my website, jimmybrown.com. You'll find a number of books you can download, daily inspirational messages to read, and training materials to help you enjoy life with passion and purpose. You can even reach out to me personally through the contact button at the site and subscribe if you want to be notified when new resources, which are always free, are added to the site. If you're interested in some positive messages to encourage you in your faith, I hope you'll check it out. And stay tuned for more exciting adventures coming your way soon.